Hi everyone, so I'm Rehan and this is my project for Kiroween 2025. So when this hackathon was announced, I wanted to build something that felt perfectly aligned with the theme, something eerie, something intelligent and meaningful. And the more I thought about it, the clearer it became. Ghost stories. So ghost stories are not just entertainment, they're global phenomenon. Paranormal creators on YouTube accumulate hundreds of millions of views every month, and case studies consistently show that a large percentage of people believe in ghosts or have experienced something supernatural. So people want these stories, they actively search for them, but the real ones, they just get lost on random social media platforms. So I asked myself, what if these stories didn't disappear? What if they could be preserved, enhanced, and mapped across the world? And that's how Ghost Atlas was born, a global atlas of real ghost encounters. Ghost Atlas is a mobile first app. It's already live on the iOS App Store, and the Android version is currently under review, and I hope it's live by the time this video is up. And there's also a lightweight website where anybody can read published stories. So the full experience, the submission of stories, narration, illustrations, ghost busting, all of that lives on the mobile app. So when someone submits a real encounter, the enhancement pipeline begins, powered entirely by AWS Bedrock. So Claude 3 rewrites the story, Stable Diffusion generates images, and AWS Poly gets a narration, and everything is orchestrated with SQS and with safe retries using DLQ. So to keep stories grounded in reality, I introduced the main feature of the app, which is called ghost busting. So users can physically visit the exact location where an encounter was faced, and once they're within 50 meters of the location and around the same time the original event occurred, they can share what they felt, rate the spookiness, and add their own observations. So this creates a second layer of authenticity, turning every encounter into a collaborative, evolving story. So every submission also goes through a private admin approval system that only the team can access, and this prevents junk and ensures quality, also keeps the experience curated. So Kiro was used literally as my engineering co-pilot, helping me architect, build, everything. So I mainly had four specs, one for the core app, which is a mobile app, and one for the AWS backend, another for the UI theme because I wanted everything to look, the website, the mobile app, everything to look similar and have the same theme, and another for the web application. So apart from that, I had a few steering docs. So these documents tell Kiro how to think inside this workspace. I never had to re-explain context, and Kiro already understood the project. Apart from that, I connected the AWS documentation MCP server, giving Kiro direct access to AWS to AWS documentation, and this allowed Kiro to generate CloudFormation, Lambda code, IAM policies, CDK resources, and everything with complete accuracy. So Ghost Atlas runs on fully serverless AWS architecture, AWS CDK, Lambda, Dynamo, S3, API Gateway, SQS, DLQ, CloudFront, CloudWatch, and many more. And yeah, so why Ghost Atlas is unique. So we have thousands of paranormal videos online, but no global community verified AI enhanced atlas of real ghost encounters mapped to the location where it was experienced. So Ghost Atlas fills that gap, blending storytelling, verification, AI creativity, and geospatial technology into one immersive experience. So Ghost Atlas was again built 100% using Kiro, and in fact I was amazed with how fast I was able to get done with it, because this was just a side project of mine apart from my job. And yeah, I hope you install the app, try it out, and let me know what you feel about it. Thank you for watching.